children, welcome to our math class. Hope you all are safe and healthy at home. Children, today we are going to start our new lesson, multiplication. Lesson number 7, multiplication. In that lesson, I will explain you the multiplication with the help of different activities, and the learning objectives of these activities are: the student will be able to do multiplication with repeated addition. Student will be able to know multiplication sign. Students will be able to create the table with the help of line method. Can be used to represent the repeated addition. Let's see what is meant by the repeated addition. Multiplication. This is the sign of multiplication. Let's see the repeated addition. As I told now, multiplication can be used to represent the repeated addition. Now, question comes in your mind, what is repeated addition? Let's see with some sets of example. Children, I have here 3 sets of chocolate. In each set, how many chocolates are here? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3. This is the first set of chocolate. Here in first set there is 3 chocolate. Plus this is the second set of chocolate. In second set of chocolate also 1, 2, 3 chocolates are here. Plus this is the third set of chocolate. In this set 1, 2, 3. 3 chocolates are here. Okay? Repeated addition means when we are adding same number again and again. Okay? Here in first set 3 chocolate, in second set 3 chocolate, in third set 3 chocolates. Means I am adding here same number. Which number? Number 3. Number 3 I am adding again and again. How many times I am adding here? 1, 2, 3 times. Okay? By simply adding 3 plus 3 plus 3, I got the answer 9. Okay? Instead of doing 3 plus 3, I can simplify it like this. 3 times 3. Or instead of writing 3 times 3, I can write 3 multiplication 3. Yes, this is the sign of multiplication. This cross sign is the sign of multiplication, or this X sign is the sign of multiplication. Okay? Now, you can say here repeated addition of same number, repeated addition of the same number is multiplication. Yes, you can say, if I ask what is multiplication? Repeated addition of the same number is multiplication. Okay? Now, let's see some other examples. Now children, here I am having set of sketch pens. First set, second set, third set, fourth set. Okay? In each set, how many sketch pens are here? 1, 2. Yes. In each set, 2 sketch pens are here. Okay? That's why I have written here 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Okay? How many times I have written 2 here? How many sets I am having here? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why how many times I have written 2 here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also I am adding the number 2 repeatedly 4 times. That's why I got the answer 8. See, instead of writing 2, 2, 2, 2, 4 times, okay, we can write simplify here. We can simplify here 4 times 2. Okay. or instead of that you can write 4 multiplication 2. Okay. Then the other example, let's see the other example. Here I have earbuds, 5 earbuds, 1 2 3 4 5. In each set here 5 earbuds are here. 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 15. Okay. Now instead of writing 5 plus 5, I have written 3 times 5 is equal to 15, or 3 multiplication 5 is equal to 15. Okay. Children, in this process you can see, in this 2 example you can see I have repeatedly written the same number. I am adding repeatedly. Children, to add repeatedly it is multiplication. Okay, but if suppose instead of 2 sketch pen, if I use here 6 sketch pen in each set, 4 set of 6 sketch pen. In first set 6 plus second set of 6 plus third set of 6 plus fourth set of 6. Then adding 6 plus 6 plus 6, it is very lengthy process. It's very lengthy process to add this much numbers. That's why to make it simple, to simplify, to make the repeated addition to simplify it, we can do the multiplication. It is very easy to do the repeated addition with the help of multiplication. Now let's see children, create the table, okay, with the help of lines. Okay, here I am creating the table of 4 with the help of lines. Children, whenever you are creating the table, for example I am creating here a table of 4, this standing line or vertical line indicates which table you are creating. If you are creating the table of 4, 4 standing line. If you are creating the table of 2, 2 standing lines. Okay, and this horizontal line indicates how many times. Okay, here I am creating the table of 4. This is the first line, second line, third line, fourth line. Why I took the 4 vertical line? Because I am creating the table of 4. Now this horizontal line, the horizontal line is meeting, count this meeting point, okay, where it is meeting with this vertical line. How many times it is meeting with this vertical lines? 1 2 3 4. The first line is meeting at 4 points. The meeting points are 4 here. That's why first line is meeting at 4 times. That's why 4 into 1 is equal to 4. Now the second line also meeting at 4 points, 1 2 3 4. Now you can use here repeated addition because 2 lines are crossing to the vertical lines. First line, first horizontal line, second horizontal line. 2 lines are meeting here. Here 4 times, here 4 times. Means total 4 plus 4, 8 times. 8 meeting points are here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 meeting points are here. 2 lines are meeting here. 2 horizontal lines are here. That's why 4 into 2. Okay. Now we are getting answer 8. Okay. Now again the third line is meeting at 4 points. Now again use the repeated addition concept. 4 plus 4 plus 4. How many times here? How many lines are there horizontal? 3 lines are here. Okay. That's why 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Like this you can create the table. So and so on you can create the table. Okay. Now see children, in this hope you have understood the concept of repeated addition. Here also I have explained how we can do the repeated addition. Okay. How we can do the repeated addition on the lines also. Okay. Now I have shown you how to create the table. I have created the table of 4. In this way only you have to form the table of 6 as it is given here. Okay, complete this and complete this table of 6 in the same way how I have explained you, by counting the meeting points. How many times the first line is meeting, how many times the second line is meeting, how many times the third line is meeting. Okay, as I have shown in the table of 4 just now. Okay, and in the same way you have to create the table of 7 and by counting the meeting point. Okay, and send it on my email ID. Till that time, hope we will meet in the next session. Till that time, goodbye. Have a nice day.